Okay, Asia session, almost London session live. Currently looking at Nikkei. Nikkei on Monday had a strong bullish breakout. Next day closed as an inside bar. And right now, price has just triggered the previous day low. So this is a trend continuation setup. Breakout followed by an inside. We have a breakout bar. And then the next day, price just stayed inside. And now price has come down, faked out the low above that breakout level. So hard time frames here are all bullish. I'm looking to buy Nikkei. What I'd like to see ideally is this H8 bar close in bearish breakout. Right now, the H8 doesn't have good bar flow. I'm on the M5 looking at the H8 bar. We have a breakout followed by two fakeouts. If you don't have a breakout on the current or the previous one, then that tells me that there's not much volume. Market's not expanding. And so I want to see a breakout bar in the next 10 minutes here. And so if I have that breakout bar, this breakout level, the H8 breakout level gets pushed down. It's currently right here. If the next bar closes and breakout, it gets pushed down. And then what I'd be looking for is for price to continue down, show rejection, and then flip that breakout level and take it back up to the highs. There's lots of levels in between here. Got to be careful of these. These might all be places to look for. Actually, there's another one here. Look for some resistance to continue. These might be TP levels, but the idea is to bring it all the way up to the high of that bar. Okay, so I want to see this in the next H8 bar, price close and breakout, reject the move, and then once we flip, this is when I can start looking for positions to take it back up. And so that's the idea, and let's see what happens in 10 minutes here. All right, here we go. Didn't get that breakout bar on, but we did have an outside bar, and I am at the range, at the edge of the range. So I don't mind taking this one. Just waiting for some closure here. So again, we have a trend going up, and now we're at the low of this range. Would have preferred a breakout, but I don't mind trading the ranges as well. So one more minute here. Breakout inside. Yeah, I'm okay with that. Got to be careful of this H8, but hard time frames are pushing strong. Okay, so 1 minute. All right, got the closure. Now looking for a continuation 10 or 15 seconds above that previous peak of the M5. Yeah, all the breakout levels look pretty good. Really close here. Right at the edge. Still not yet. Okay, popped up a little bit and then came back down. Didn't have a 10-second closure or 15-second closure. The reason I'm doing this is just I want to see continuation. And this is just so I don't just enter on any candle. I just always want to be taking trades when the market's moving. Okay, still nothing yet. Okay, here we go. Pushing up. We're above, still no 10-second closure. Looking at the timer over here. 15 seconds still. Now I'm looking at the next level here. So this has been pushed up a little bit. Okay, still nothing. Okay, now we're closing above. There we go. Got in on this move. Right at the low of the day. This is a trend continuation, so I would expect the price to get up, back up to this level. So that's what I'm holding for, and let's see if this gets through. All right, so almost London session, right, really close to the target. So done with this, and we'll start looking for some new positions. So really nice trade here, daily trade, going back up to that range high. Didn't quite make it there. Pretty sure it'll get there, but I'm not going to risk all this profit I made just to make that little bit. I'm perfectly happy with this. Don't want to sweat it. Just done with the trade, and that's it.